how to cook a grenade. On pull the thing, I'll pull an ammo, and let's go. We're gonna go.
Reddit, front page Reddit. We're on Reddit, boys.
Easy.
We can split up. Yeah, I have 2 retards in this place, man.
Say no balls when I go to school.
Oh. Nobody said it, so.
What? What?
Who cares?
What? What?
What?
Oh.
People to our south.
Do you kiss your dog with that mouth, Coon?
Do you beat your dog with that hand?
I fuck my dog with his mouth.
Okay, is
Well,
that
one
what
dude
you
in
got?
the whole fucking western complex. The western complex of us.
What do you think you're doing?
By the way, we got a Jeep, so if you just want to dip...
I'm underground,
just
help me!
shotguns.
I'm underground, Coon!
Oh no.
I'm underground!
That's not good.
There is
the
a
fuck?
total of 3 shotguns in the warehouse. Now there is a total of 2. 2 left, so there's shotguns in here, all over the place.
What the fuck was that? I'm taking all your ammo so you can have it, just shits.
Die.
Take the ammo, take the ammo. There's 2 people to our southwest.
I proceed to enter this building here. Yeah, see, Ski is kind of over by those people, so to say.
It's all good.
I didn't see.
I trust Ski, however.
Oh, there's some dude still flying. What's your shot?
Dude, fuck him. There's a level 1 investment if you want to use it.
Ready?
Reddit. Reddit, boys. Reddit.
Take it.
He is the worst CS player in the world. Shazam.
Shazam.
Yeah, Shazam's honestly horrible.
Are you sure people landed by us, Chris?
2 of the west. 2 people landed to the west
those
because he fucking
buildings to
saw
the
a
west,
full
okay.
team of 4 landing here.
Oh, those.
Yeah.
I thought you meant like
I thought
this
you meant-
freaking
yeah,
across the
whole
street
team.
area.
I was like, I didn't see anyone.
Yeah, you crack baby.
I have suppressed Beretta.
There's a M16.
Oh
up
no,
here.
stop.
Not me, B. That's
I've been working on the
Hey, I was actually
railroad.
shot at by someone.
Yeah, by this idiot named Crayons.
Oh, what a
I think
meme.
it was Crayons. He was running the same direction I was. Maybe it was. Maybe it
Yeah, and he was
Crayons.
shooting at you.
We
We should go get those people on the west. They're coming over to us. I see them. They're at the rocks over there.
Suppressing fire.
Suppress fire. I'm pushing over here.
Does anyone
There's
have
an
an
M16
actual
up
gun
here. I
besides
already
this
called it
smoke?
out.
Does
Yeah,
it
I
have
have
ammo,
ammo.
though?
Come get some.
No.
That's the fire.
Chris, grab it. Grab it, Chris. I'm flanking around the right side to make sure they don't flank around the right side.
Working on the rail.
Here you go. There's 60 rounds right here.
Italy, doodle-lay.
Tequila away, tequila away.
They'll think we're
I
Mexican and
see
they're
they're
gonna
moving southwest. Further up the hill. See them?
Yeah.
Oh.
His
I'm
pistol
pushing up.
shooting. His teammates tag.
You might not want to do that, B.
His teammates tag twice, and his other teammates tag twice.
Crowns, there's a helmet.
I
Crowns,
know,
there's a
man.
One of them
helmet.
only has a. Yeah. One of them only has a fucking pistol, so I'm gonna push that.
Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, or only a pistol, I mean, yeah.
They're up the hill further.
Well, one of them
Yo.
ran southwest, or west again.
I'm gonna eat one of my
I
dogs.
see one. I see one.
Where?
He's south of me, direct south. I'm looking straight at him.
Yeah, me too. He's at
Above
a
the
bush.
truck. He's up the hill above the truck at a bush, yeah.
Well, shoot him. What the fuck?
I hit him with my shotgun.
Someone just got fucking binked, bro, from the west. I saw blood
I hit him with
splatter.
my shotgun, dude. That was him. Come towards me. Come
not
towards me.
possible.
Come towards me. Alright.
I don't know what one of them has. One
He's
of
at
them
the
only has
shack.
One
He's
of
at
them
that
sided
shack.
me. 240.
Coon. Or
Watch out to your right. Don't.
Oh, one's pushing you. One's pushing you. Beep beep.
Yeah.
Oh, the houses.
What side?
The house.
Left,
The
left,
fucking
left,
northwest.
left.
Behind you, Crowns.
I've been working on the railroad.
Oh, no!
Oh,
He's behind this building.
Coming over the
long
top.
day.
Coming over the top.
That guy's fucking angry, bro.
He's outside, Coon. He's right there.
No, I hit him, please.
Got him.
You know,
Wait,
no.
We got knocked
Come in.
out.
Come in. Come in. Come in.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We're good. We killed 3 of them.
Uh-oh.
Only one more. It's progress.
Fucking cow.
You know what? You got spooked, boy.
No.
Yes.
Get a crossbow.
Oh.
Yeah, one of them. That guy had.
Oh,
that guy had a
wow.
shot.
Yeah, let me.
He hit my pan with that crossbow.
It's fucking disgusting.
I've been working on the
Let's
bed.
take the crossbow.
Oh, the boo long
There's
day.
one more around here.
Is there actually?
Did any of them have a rifle I could have?
One had a scar, but I took all his ammo.
Red. Oh, I don't. I think they just.
Spooky.
No, they looted all
Does
this.
anybody have an F?
No, there's one more. There's one more.
Yeah, there is.
Definitely, because the person I killed, he went down first.
I killed somebody.
There's definitely one more.
Was he here? That's the question. Do I die right here? Yes.
Dude, for the first time, I actually did something with the shotgun.
Oh my god.
Like, that's
Ugh.
actually my first time ever doing something successful with the
My
shotgun.
finger hurts. If he has a shotgun, I die here 9 times out of 10.
I'm checking inside the 3-story building. Just kind of gonna push it.
Dead now.
Nope. This room's clear. Our house is clear.
When I
Camel
die,
cap? Oh, I found a camo cap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me.
Why would you want to put it on?
Fuck, why not? I don't know. Some motorcycle helmet. Pretty much the same thing.
I don't see him, dudes.
Same. Kind of
He did.
spooked. He's gonna swerve on us so fucking hard. He's just hiding in a corner waiting for us.
Yeah, you don't know.
Bro,
Well,
we gotta
I'm-
be like the Gestapo, like yesterday, like the other day. Knock, knock, motherfucker. Gestapo's
Pack
here.
belongings, everything precious to you, and let's go.
They're honestly not here.
You stop on
How do you
here.
fucking make this?
Please come outside.
Can I not make this jump? Is it too tall? Coon, come here.
Yes,
Does anyone
ma'am.
have a spare sight of any kind?
Yes, a red dot.
Ah, no.
Oh, true. XD.
Oh, wait. This building hasn't actually been looted yet. There's literally nothing in it except for a pair of
Where'd you
pants.
drop, Feg?
I didn't drop anything, I shot at you.
Well, I might as well.
Yeah, he said I dropped
Just
something.
chilling.
Alright, so I've
Level
got
two vest
not
here?
Someone got
much.
shot at. Or someone got shot.
Oh, please, I need a vest.
There's a shot outside. Someone like a.
That was me, Cal.
Oh no, that wasn't you. You shot a shotgun. Someone just like shot like dirt outside.
Yeah, that was Coon.
Oh,
Bruh.
shut the
Fuck
wood.
that. Let's double back and grab that US.
True. Yeah, I need to go to like another complex and get this whole rifle thing going, because like, yeah.
Anyone got
I got-
fucking.
I got 6 shots in a double barrel.
I heard if
Hey.
you crouch jump, you get
At least I
closer.
didn't get downed.
You get what?
Wow.
Get your level 3 helmet, Coon.
Oh, wow.
That crossbow on
What
your
is
back.
this?
You see the arrow sticking out of my pan, Coon?
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Yeah, dude, I got real lucky. And he shot me in the pan, and I
Or
was like,
those, though. Oh,
That was good.
almost died there. Oh my god. Almost died there, bro.
quick, Coon, hop in.
Oh. Are you still trying to run that shit? Or?
No? Do you wanna get stuck? You wanna get stuck.
No, stop, please, let's go.
Let's go into the fucking. Where do you wanna go? Red dot?
Red dot, I guess.
I need to. I have a crossbow and a dream.
I've been working on the railroad.
All that matters is that I got that one crossbow.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
I'm gonna get out before you.
I got it. I've been working on the railroad. Oh, that would have been a meme. That would have been a meme.
Be a shame.
I'll do
I'm gonna get
you cleared.
Ah, Coon!
Breaching clear.
Alright, looks like you get that AK, Coon.
Finally. A gun.
I found a
This just-
micro though, so it's all good and it's all good for me.
All good in
Yeah.
the horde.
Oh boys, I found a ×2.
That's pretty good.
Hey Coon, you want some more 7.62?
Oh, you
Yeah, I
missed
got some
that.
stuff for you too.
I'm in this little shit shack. This is my.
Check this little shit. Anyone have a spare AR in any of those buildings?
There's a ump in here if anyone wants it.
I'll take the
There's more ammo in here too. Like a lot.
Look out, pal.
Breaching clear.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Where's the
Vape Nation in the fucking living room. Why are you on?
the long room? Don't you dare take my
I was the one who called it.
No, Coon was running by me, dog.
What are you
I
getting
can't-
some shit?
No, that's the whole point. I can't trust you nearby my
Maybe if I have gifts.
One of them.
Giftaritos? Para me? Yes.
No.
Yes. Grazie,
Get
por
us in a
favor.
shotgun shell to the
Coon, I have something
knee.
for you.
No, please.
Oh yeah.
Coon, I have something for you. Oh, he's not inside the building.
Fucking banger me, dude.
What the fuck are you
Come
doing?
here, Coon.
Don't
Here,
fucking
Coon,
judge
take
how I
this.
play,
Take
bro.
that.
I'm fucking
Take
tired of
that.
your shit. If I want to lay down in the middle of the road, I'll lay down in the middle of the fucking.
I might kill him for the AK. Oh.
I'm going up to the green dot.
They don't have 5 or 6, you have spare 5.
Oh yeah, I've searched up in there. Oh, listen.
There's a suppressor for an SMG.
Ooh.
I'm trying to take that, so.
Yeah. just-
Like I'm moving up here, just saying.
God, an SMG suppressor.
That would be very much nice. Someone should grab the vehicle on their way up.
He's fucking doubles back.
Who lets Coon drive? I do.
Not me.
I love me some Cars. The movie.
So stupid. I had some nice ass fucking ramen today.
Wow.
Was it that top ramen good?
No, I went to Arashi Ramen. Got my
So
stuff
they
there.
made top ramen and then put some weird shapes on it to make it look like normal ramen.
What?
Exactly. I have a mini 14 now. I have a mini 14.
I actually.
Oof.
Why do I always get like really shit FPS right now?
I have a mini 14 with a ×4.
Yeah.
Why am I getting shit FPS, bro?
Oh, yeah.
What
You like that?
This one? I went in that one over by the kitchen.
Like that?
Stop driving.
Legit.
Yeah.
Stop driving. I swear to God, I'll kill you.
I did? What? How?
I don't know, but I picked it up.
Oh no, I walked in like
Dude,
this,
stop
and so at this
driving.
angle I can't see downwards, and I saw the pickup 45 ATP instead of a vest.
Stop driving.
Why?
Do you have?
Fucking
Was it
FPS.
you that said you had?
Fuck you.
Chris that has gift. Hey, Chris.
What?
Can I have that suppressor?
Sure.
I come upstairs now. Hello. Thanks, pal. Oh my, that's nice as well. That makes the follow-up shot even more accurate.
Get away from me.
Come here.
Get away from me. No, stop. Go away. Go away, Coon. This is why you need to stop driving and get out of the car.
Did you shoot me?
I didn't shoot
Oh,
you.
that's him.
I actually.
Dude, get the fuck out the fucking car.
Leave me alone.
I want to shoot you in the head. So but
Think
there
to
we
this
go.
dumbass.
He's gonna pop the tires. He's about to pop the tires. Look at all these times. Nobody will fire at us if we just do this in the middle of this area.
Well.
Alright, challenge mode. We have to walk while we can only move while leaning. What are you doing, Chris?
Fixing the car. Oh.
Stop fixing the car.
Is there a scope that was out here?
On the railroad. The chick looks fucking stupid, bruh.
I'm creeping up on you, boy.
Get away, Chris.
Hey, you might want to conserve some fuel. We may need that actually.
We still got over half a tank, don't worry.
What the fuck?
Alright,
What the
let me-
fuck? Is that a swing?
Guys, where are we going?
Swing first, bro. Swing first.
Let's go to the green. Hop in.
You initiated it.
Hop in. I swear to God, if you shoot me,
Nah, I'm just, just practicing my aim. I gotta fight with that aim.
hop in. Hop in. Ski, don't worry, I'm not gonna hit you.
Vehicle coming.
He's holding a
Oh.
grenade. Run!
Stop, you can stop and kill them. There's only 2 people in it. Oh,
They drove off. Wait, where are they going?
What are you doing? Why are we stopping?
Hey.
What the
You
fuck
said
are you doing?
stop.
Key,
You said
get in!
stop.
Yeah, after they
Slow
drove
down,
away.
Calm down. Are we gonna sit there like a fucking retard?
I set up to see if they stopped moving. They didn't, but then I had to slow down even more because you hopped out, and I was like, oh no.
Nah, this.
Let's go through the bomb zone.
It's like the footboard.
At least I have a shot.
Oh,
Oh no.
I don't have a shot.
Oh no.
well,
That's a no goodie.
Here, drop me off here. I wanna
No.
die.
Alright, hop out.
get on there.
Just saying.
Don't worry, they'll do it for you, kid.
Don't worry, good, it's fine.
I have
Kieran got
Where are we going?
I have 5 bandages.
What the fuck are we?
I got first aid kit, don't
Actually, I
worry.
have 10 bandages.
Oh no. No, we're good.
Hello, Raggy.
Raro.
Tree.
Let the inbred drive.
Hey, don't
Why are
insult
you
me.
hitting the tree?
don't insult me. I have car keys. I crash car.
Did somebody say crash car?
Oh,
Did somebody say crash car?
I said Crash Bandicoot, you fucking cow.
Crash? Yeah, I said fucking knack, bro. Asshole.
I'm gonna wrap around the other side to make sure the middle doors aren't open. No, we good.
We're Gorchi. The door's open.
No, it's blown off.
That's blown off.
See, I didn't even know. I predicted.
Coon dies first, telling you he's on meds.
I do have meds, but it's just a matter of if I want
To share? Same.
to share. And I mean, I kind of do, because,
Coon,
Coon's
you
a
have
good
meds?
guy. But, like,
You
if
have
I
meds? I'll shoot you in the fucking knees, I swear to God.
much.
Why am I getting like 0 FPS, bro? What the fuck's happening?
Because the FPS don't love you.
Incoming vehicle
Bro, what do I need?
on the north.
We can fight them.
Am I getting like fucking 30 and 40
I see them.
FPS?
They're driving by.
Hey.
There's a second set of them, too.
Where? Why do you have a VSS?
Don't fucking judge me, pal.
Why do you have a VSS? Oh, I just got shot at. Oh.
Coon, you need meds. Come hither.
I need to fix my FPS, bro. What's happening?
Only men drink pussy juice.
Only a man
Coon,
drink
come hither.
water.
We're gonna die, because we're sitting here.
What the fuck's
Take that.
happening, man? I have to restart my computer or something. I don't fucking know. Why is PubG being a little
It's
shit?
pretty substantial.
Why aren't you?
There's- I turned everything down to low too. When I was playing with Ultra, all my shit was getting better FPS. Doesn't make sense.
Bubba.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm getting better FPS playing in Ultra than I am on fucking. This doesn't make sense.
What, Coon?
Why? Why'd I pick that? No, you're just looking.
Looking.
How you gonna? Can you let me leave?
Incoming vehicle
You
from the
fucking
west.
cow.
Let's kill him.
I can smell it.
Why was no one push us? If someone pushed me, how dare you?
Alright, pushing now.
Fuck, bro. I need to restart my computer or something. God damn it.
Pushing now.
Still got spare
That
5.
was close, dude. I do not have spare 5, dog. There was not much with that mini that I got.
Dude, I swear to God.
What, dude? No, wait. What the fuck are you doing?
Pulls at a fucking nade.
Another vehicle coming in from the west.
What's up?
Southwest.
Well,
Got a guy. Let's
Where?
find out.
how
Look,
many
this is a
looks does
little
it take to
glitch I
get
learned.
Ooh,
They stopped south of us.
Close?
Pushing the beach.
They're
Yeah.
pretty darn close. Yeah, we can see them.
Don't shoot me.
Oh,
Don't shoot me. Where's Coon shooting? Coon's not shooting the right direction.
I don't even know how to fucking shoot. Half of the time, I'm all missing.
What?
Hmm? Did I say something?
It's by the Dawson?
No, they ran to the east.
I see, I see, I see.
Beep beep, don't get too far exposed.
Knocked one. Knocked one.
Beep.
I know.
One's pushing you, beep beep.
He's pushing.
Knocked
Thanks.
out one, knocked out one.
No, you killed
Close to you,
him.
Connor.
Sorry.
One has a car, fucking aiming for
I'm
you.
watching Connor's dick.
One's knocked out close to you, Connor.
Hit him twice with the mini.
Well,
Skeep.
hey, Coon, can you get Bubba?
What the fuck? Where's he shooting me from now? Oh, from the shit
Will
shoot.
someone come res me?
I'll back up. No, never mind.
Coon.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. What the hell, Discord?
The junk shop.
Now we're in window mode.
He's at that rock over there now.
Ah, fuck it.
Does anyone have any meds?
Fuck, man. Reset your computer once. Fucks everything. I have meds, come to me.
One's at the far tree, 120.
Tag him twice. I did tag that guy like 3 times. bro,
Dude, that's
swear.
where I got whacked, so be careful.
Sorry. I want to get
Swear I
whacked.
got back. Oh.
Knocked
By the
him.
rock? By the rock, by the rock.
Yeah,
I got tagged.
I knocked the other one.
Hello? There we go.
I finished him.
Did we kill everyone or we just killed the...
No, Rock Boy is still there.
26 seconds,
Oh,
by the
he's
way?
peeking? I see his little peek.
Where? Right or left side?
Nice left. He's peeking by this little fucking...
We have
15
20,
seconds. We're gonna
15
have to
seconds.
get
Yeah,
Damn.
I'm already here. I can pull it to the middle of a complex as soon as I get shot.
Fuck! Lowers the graphics quality. Fucks up my FPS. Increase graphics quality. Increase FPS.
Move!
What are you doing, you fucking...
I'm getting
villain?
it to where we're not gonna get shot!
You fucking...
As you're standing in the middle of me.
Break the fucking fence, you dumbass. You're like weaving around the fence. You're driving a fucking car, you bellend. You're trying to shoot the retard at the fucking rock, and you're trying to drive through the fucking fences like you're taking driver's ed. God damn, what the fuck are you doing?
I told
Break
you
the
exactly
fucking
what I was gonna
fences.
do, and then you drive right, and then you walk right in my way.
Fine, then I hope to God he fucking binked your ass, but he didn't. God damn it, I should've just let him kill you.
Fuck yeah.
Where are we stopping? Give me a place.
I don't know, just up this hill or some shit.
No,
dude.
there's people there.
Red dot.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
jeez.
pushing complex.
Yeah, red dot's the only thing. You don't really have a choice here.
Why are we pushing complex? That's why okay.
20 out of 10 times. What do you think will happen, Chris?
We die.
Oh!
This is a good complex.
There's people here, isn't there? Or not people here, but there's people up the hill. There he
Where
is.
are people up the hill?
Up the
yeah?
hill, up the hill, up the hill. To the east.
Can I not get shot? Fucking flathead.
I'm getting flanked. There's
What?
3 fucking teams! Oh my god. There's 3 teams, bro.
I'm in a shack, Bubba.
He's pushing you, Bubba. To the left. One's up tree, it's your grenade.
Oh,
There's
fuck
two.
me,
There's
man.
3 teams. One's behind down the hill, one's up the hill, and one's to the fucking like south. One guy on my
Are they behind us as well?
X. Yeah, up the hill. That's the people shooting at you. There's people down the hill too. One guy's pushing you. He like ran down the hill pushing you.
There's a little shack for now on. I got knocked up by.
Good Coon.
You just saved me, Coon.
Good Coon. One more.
Uno más, uno más.
Y'all just saved my life. I see the other one. Good job. I need a
doesn't
first
have
aid
any.
kit bad.
First aid's on my body. First aid's on my body.
Alright, what about the one up further up? Yeah, yeah.
What?
I'll grab. Where's your body?
We're gonna go get fucking Michael? Tell me he's fucking stupid. Fuck him. Let him stay the night.
Oh!
Vehicle
What?
coming
Why?
up, I think.
Why? He's stupid. He's stupid. Charge in the morning. Charge it at school. He's retarded. Just charge it at school. Bring a charger. Oh my god.
So the guys in the... They just left? They killed
Medding
you
up. Medding up.
Gee.
Beep beep, you're still outside the wall.
You got fucking robbed, bro. How do you feel? Coon? How do you feel?
I know. I'm good. I'm good. I was just medding up
bad.
last
You
second.
happy? You wanna
Yeah.
die? Did everyone grab the shit out of my body?
Yeah, I grabbed their meds.
Oh, yeah.
I only grabbed 5.56 and shoot. Yeah.
There were people on the hill. They probably voted the fight. I got fucking blasted, so GG.
Jesus Cristo, ¿por qué me has
You saved me. They had me pinned on that tree. I was about to go down.
Might as well move up or some shit, bro.
Yeah.
Why are we moving this way?
I don't
Because we
know.
How
want
about
to
that
clear
rock
this section so
one,
people don't come in behind us.
105. You see those rocks there?
These, really?
That
There's one
right
behind
there.
you?
That turn. That one. The guy walked right behind it.
You're fucking lying.
No?
Let's go.
Remember last time that you said I was lying? There's a dude.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was like, is that really a guy? He's like, yeah, he's peeking.
He ran down the hill. Yeah. You guys are gonna get zone. The zone's not.
We're gonna get boned.
Yeah, just let everyone kill each other.
Might as well
We
run
gotta
some-
push down. Yeah, let's just go.
I'd push back here.
Yeah, you watch our left, Coon. Because I heard some shots over there still.
Those people.
Alone. You balloon.
Just watch your back. Why do you have
It
a
might be
defense
wrong.
close quarters thing?
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Why are you using 4x close quarters?
Shh. Fuck. Trust me, bro. 4x is the best X. 4x all the way. Are these dudes gonna push up the hill? Maybe get left?
No, there were people behind you. Those things.
Yeah, no.
I don't know what the fuck y'all doing. No one's watching.
I see people 105.
330. Walking up the hill.
Oh shit, look here.
Dink his ass. Dink his ass. What? The bullet went through him. He got dinked. One guy broken helmet. 345 2.
He's
Outside
dead,
the
dude.
zone. Outside the zone. He's outside the zone. Watch him. Outside the zone.
Yeah.
Oh, how's he not dead? How's he not dead?
Not sure. But he's behind that rock now.
Okay, but in front of the rock by Coon, there's a guy without a helmet.
Yeah, I need help. This dude's gonna med up. Fuck me up real bad.
Change to a red dot, bro. How'd that first shot miss? You saw that shit?
I don't know.
Dude, push him, Coon. He's fucking up your
My
teammates.
pan
Push
just
him, he's
saved my
fucking up your
life.
Watch. It's okay. I will kill them all.
teammates. Fuck your teammates, Coon.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, Ski. I hit him.
Not you, it was That was bullshit.
I can't push up with the 4 times. You're high, Chris. I'm gonna die right here.
Don't worry about me. I don't have any meds anyways.
I do.
Are they, Chris?
By the tree.
He's being attacked from the back.
Dinked him.
This is my chance to get you. Here,
Spam it, Coon.
take that, take that.
No, no, he's one shot. One shot,
I know.
30 of Coon. One shot down the hill, 30.
She's healed. Don't worry about it.
He's on the before you. Someone just posted something into the group chat. What the fuck? Well, I swear to God, it's another cat picture. Well, they're getting Ugandan genocide photos now.
Good job. Careful, Coon. I'll watch your back.
Grab by the trees.
Coon, what are you doing? He just fucking waste his ass.
Nah, it's just backpack. It's not even. Can't hit that.
Watch down the hill. You guys are gonna have to be running. He's running.
He's on the tree directly east of me. I'm crawling toward him.
Yeah, the guy behind this is
Watch by the
killing me.
rock, Coon. Yeah. Northeast by the rock, tree pushing.
Pushing
pushing
Coon on the
Bubba.
tree.
Oh, they're fighting.
Also down that hill, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go look at some mayonnaise.
1v1s, 1v1s. By the rock, down the hill. By that one tree. You're dead. He sees you, man.
On the tree to your right. On the tree to your right.
By the tree, right. You kill this guy, it's a 1v1. That guy has the zone, by the way.
XXXTentacion.
I don't have a red dog, bro. Oh. Last guy's down the hill. Oh my god.
Nice.
Let's go, boys.
Well
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
done.